How's it going, everyone? Time for another unboxing. And this time, if the last time I wasn't sure if what I was unboxing, this time I'm quite sure that I am unboxing my very first Bumblebee figure. It's just high time that I get a Bumblebee, because all I planned to do was unbox Optimus Prime. So let me just do this out of the video. But somehow I said to myself, I need to have a Bumblebee. So let's give some B love, or let's give B some love. Bumblebee that is. Really hard to unbox. At least it is double boxed. Aha. Damn it. It's not a B. I supposedly ordered a B. I don't understand it. They're the same. This one is supposed to be a Bumblebee. This one, which I ordered from Hobby 168 local, that one came from China. I think that's Chinese store. And you know, this is just natural for them to give you a wrong thing. And this one is the H601. The one before that is the 8801. This one is the H601. And this is the one that I said that had orange swords. Whew. Let's check this out. So for the record, I already gave some B love, but the stores did not send me any Bumblebee. And that sucks, because I kinda wanted Bumblebee already. I was kinda excited for it. See, when I told you, I mentioned that I wanted to have a B, but now I don't have a B. I have another Prime. If I can take it out of the box, there you go. Wow, the packaging for this one is really good. They are both kind of the same. Just looks like an eagle. The other one looks more like Prime, red eyes, but this one looks more like an eagle. So what's the difference? Hey. That is just funny. I expected a B. I got an eagle. A Prime eagle. Not working. Let's get some snips. Work. 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 Work, work, in a tiny airplane, work. So, is everything off? No, of course, not yet. Snips. I think everything is snipped. Time to take him out of his packaging. Of course, something is still left. Snips. At last, free. No, free. No. Other one is in here. Yup. As compared to the other Commander Cybertron that wasn't tied down at all, this guy has been tied down to the max. And look how he stands. He stands kind of funny. Whew. So I am guessing this is also two versions, because they are one and the same. With this one, I mean. Who is version 1 and who is version 2? I am guessing the version 1 is very funny. Let him stand up straight. Let's get him off on his feet, up on his feet, so that he will look good in the camera, because he just looks so stupid. Stand up straight. Stand up properly. Gayahin mo yung pinsan mo dun sa kabila. Wow. Still figuring out the pivot points. This one. This is just so bad. How he stands up. There. 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 Ayusin mo sarili mo. Stand proud, huy. Because at the moment you stand so stupid. What happened here? Oh, there it is. There. Whew. So the one that I unboxed yesterday, this guy with the big ass gun here, that's him. Also has a big ass gun. This is him. What? So who was version 1? This guy or this guy? These are the two guns. And that's them. I would sure to make a new video, and this is his trusty side eagle. Maybe it goes there. I'm your sidekick because I am an eagle. So between the two guys, I don't know which I like, but this has better swords. This has better plastic colors. The marbling on the plastics on this one are not good, but just off the bat, just looking at it, the old one with the blue swords. It looks kind of premium compared to this one, but that's for another video. I just know now that there's this version of it like this, and it has two versions of it of this version. That's confusing. But yep, toys. They're really toys. Between the two of them, I paid maybe this is 344 pesos, a much more expensive because it's local, and this is Chinese. This is 274 pesos. So how much is that? Around 550 for the both of them. And for the both of them that you can play with and you can compare with, that's already a good deal. I'd take that. So yeah, for another video, I'd compare the both of them. Maybe do a transformation between the two and see the difference. But for now, this is what you get. This is what I got. And I thought it was a Bumblebee figure, and I still don't have any Bumblebee. So if any sellers out there, send me a Bumblebee figure please, so that I can review it. And at the moment, this is all I got. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Subscribe and check out the links below where you can buy these. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.